crude has shown sharp swing yesterday, failing to stay above 72.4 levels. We have seen it dropping, but then once again, my favorite 70.2, 70 levels have come to the support for oil, and it has shown a very good recovery. Now again trading above 72. At the same time, net gas has also seen a good recovery here, now trading at 2.63 levels. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading crude and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next video, the next analysis, the next targets will be released before the US session, before the NFP data. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with net gas. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the hourly charts for oil. See, first of all, it has seen a V-shaped recovery. Now it has come back till to the resistance level. After that, a retracement. And now the second green candle here. So possibly beyond 72.2 levels, you can again remain long. I will wait for 72.5 to be breached. And if it stays above 72.5, 73.2, 74 are the next targets. Yes, it is still bullish, very much bullish, but see, it is fallen back within this zone, and hence we have to remain cautious still towards 72.5 levels. Now 72.5, 71.5 is still a sideways zone for crude oil. Stochastic has seen a good recovery. It is back to overbought zone. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is flat. And if you look at 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, showing a reversal here, trying to rise here. Possibly we may see little more bullishness, taking it till towards 72.2, 72.5 zone. Till 72.5, greater resistance exists here. Stochastic is overbought. MACD willing to cross over for a buy entry. It is still bearish. RSI is flat, trading with a modest positive bias. If you look at 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. It is taking support from the... Now see, the prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged till towards and a sharp recovery, and it is back to its track. So possibly staying above 72.2, there could be little more rise. However, I'll wait for 72.5 levels to be breached on the upside. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for a buy. RSI trading with a positive bias here. On the 4-hour chart, now see, previous candle was with a flat top, and now this candle has almost started on a bullish note. It is trading at a critical resistance. Yes, 72.2 you can buy, but then I will wait for 72.5 levels as we have discussed here. Also on the downside, the support is seen at 71.6 levels. Very strong support. We have seen yesterday a breakout below 71.6 and a sharper recovery. Now see, the moving averages are still trading with divergence and bullish, and the price is divergent from the moving average. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is almost flat and RSI is also flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, previous two candles increasing body size. Then yesterday's candle, a good swing candle, but with a diminishing body. Yes, it has a green body, but with a smaller body. And you can also see higher highs, lower lows swing here. And hence this makes 71.6 levels again a good, or rather 71.2 is the next support level. This is the pivot as of now, because we have seen a good swing. And also you can look at the moving averages are curving upside. This is still a bullish sign. And another point to note here is the lower highs which it is showing here. So we have to be careful till 72.5. If it stays above 72.5, we can expect that oil in the near run can break past 74, and beyond that bullishness to be seen. But right now it is showing lower highs and flat bottom. So this is one part. Also, now you can see the previous candle has a very long tail. This also indicated that the bullishness is there, still very much there. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil today at 72.2. However, recommend you to be careful of 72.5 levels. Beyond that, yes, we can see 73.3, 75 and 74 levels to be seen. 75 can be seen if it breaks past 74. However, 74 is a greater resistance, but today I don't think so that it is going to break past 74. However, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, you can sell here at 71.6 levels, Below 71.6, 71.2 and 71 is, or rather I will say 70.8 and 71.2 is the greater support zone. Below that, the next support levels are at 70, 70.2 zone. Till 69, we have discussed this several times, till 69 dollar levels are respected. For this week, I will not treat oil as bearish. I have told each and every day in my each and every analysis till 69 levels, I will not stay bearish in crude oil, and every drop is an opportunity to buy. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, enjoy both side swings. Yes, sell at 71.5 or 6 levels and buy at 72.2 levels. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at gas on the hourly chart. See 2.6, 2.58 levels provided it a very good support. We have been always in a favor of bullishness in net gas. This time it has again got the support from 2.6 levels and consolidated and bounced back. Now if you look at the complete movement, you will find higher highs, lower lows, and the median here is 2.63 levels. Now see, the prices were divergent from the moving average. We can see the prices converging till towards moving average at best. Again, we have to wait for 2.68 or 2.7 levels to be breached. Beyond that, only bullishness is confirmed. We had discussed again yesterday also that 2.68 is the level only above which we can say more bullishness is there. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see it has formed a support here at 2.62 and now trying to rise. How far it can rise? We can see 2.6566 levels as a greater resistance on the upside. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD is still divergent, bullish looking upwards. RSI is flat. And on the 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour chart, now see lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for today 2.66 and 2.68. These are the two levels. If it breaks past by, then you can say that more reversal, more rise is on the cards. And hence we have to be watchful and careful there. If you look at the 2-hour chart, see it is showing a reversal and a rise. Possibly it can try to touch this zone or this zone before looking forward to a drop. Stochastic flat, the MACD is willing to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is trying to trade with a positive slope here. And on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. After this drop, it is showing a reversal candle here. So possibly you have to wait for 2.66 to be breached. Beyond that, only little more bullishness might take it for 2.68. And if it stays above 2.68 levels, certainly we can say more rise there is on the cards. Stochastic flat, the MACD is still bearish, trying to converge crossover. And RSI is flat here. Coming to the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. Two swing candles. Now it is positioned at the median, and above median certainly little more bullishness, which means see if it trades about 2.66, you can still expect nearby resistance at 2.68, 2.7 levels. Very good resistance at 2.7. If it stays above 2.7, then further bullishness might take it till towards 2.74, 2.75 zone, which is a greater resistance. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 2.62, but then 2.6 is a very good support. Below 2.6, we can expect it to hit this time 2.55 levels, the next support level. Stochastic flat, MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trying to look upwards. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at daily charts. See, first of all, the previous candle with a smaller body, price is failing to stay bearish here. At the same time, this candle has just started. Possibly even it can try to make a double top at 2.68 before looking forward to a drop. If it now stays below 2.62 any point of time, you can stay short there. We can expect similar size of candle, which means it can in fact take it till towards 2.55 levels. Before looking forward to an upward move, it can stretch the drop a little while. Hence, on the upside till 2.7 levels also, one has to remain watchful. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI is almost trading with a slight bearish bias. Considering this, yes, you can buy 2.66. However, remember 2.68, achieving these levels, it can reverse. 2.7 also, the chances of reversal will increase. Only about 2.75, the chances of reversal will diminish, and above which you can expect more rise. And hence, till 2.7, at least be extremely cautious, as it can reverse, and possibly once it draws below 2.62, you have to sell there, expect 2.6, and then we may see 2.55 levels this time. See, we can expect a good swing for the day. It is trying to recover a bit, but can drop later in the day, and hence you have to trade with caution, trade both sides, buy and sell entries both. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.